The south lifts at the Hatfield Galleria Shopping Centre, outlet shopping centre. These lifts have got crap Leicester controls.
Going up, please mind the door. Doors closing.
Slow doors.
Going up.
They've got a nice indicator. Used to be an old Kone lift, possibly TMS. It was modernised with Leicester controls in 2017.
Floor 6. Doors opening.
One's locked
Going
off,
down.
don't know why.
Please mind the doors. Doors
Down to
closing.
3. I don't know why they've locked one off.
Going down.
Nice looking hedgehog picture. It shows just random pictures. Don't know why.
Floor 3. Doors opening.
The middle lifts at the Galleria Shopping Centre in Hatfield. Got to 6. There used to be some Kone lifts. They've been modernised by Otis Mod Logic, or with Otis Mod Logic, in 2014. Going up. Got a nice Drusco voice. Yeah, nice Drusco voice. And awesome 3 doors. Where is the other lift? That's down to 5. Go down to 1. These lifts are nice. The indicator is extremely faint. This is one of the north lifts at Galleria Shopping Centre in Hatfield. It used to be a Leonard lift. It used to be a Leonard lift. It's been replaced with an eco disc. It feels quite slow, so I think it might be an NMX11. 3. Yeah, I think it's an NMX11. This lift runs through opening, I think. Or 3 doors, whatever the term is. The initial acceleration is painful and it's slow. It's replaced in 2019. Apart from the painful acceleration, this is a nice lift. The speed's quite slow as well. And that's it. This is the far north lift at the Galleria Shopping Centre in Hatfield. It used to be a Leonard lift. It has been modernised. It has been modernised by Temple, and it has Leicester controls. with very slow initial acceleration.
Doors going up. Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 3. Doors open. Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going down.
This lift I think was modernised in 2019, and this lift is boring. It's not very interesting at all.
Floor 1.
And that's it.
Doors